What's going on YouTube? This is your boy The Vintage back with another video, man. Today it's gonna be a very quick little video, just got a couple questions for y'all, you know what I'm saying? Tomorrow will be a better video, but today I just want to know who all hit on those Sesame Yeezy V2s. I know a lot of people that I seen on Instagram, it changed a lot of people's mind and they went to go grab them. I seen a lot of people double up. Some are probably trying to resell them or do what they do. But even on StockX, man, even on StockX, I see the price has increased just slightly, you feel me? And like I said, this shoe is gonna be like the creams. The creams that went up in resale as well. Regardless of that restock, that shoe did go up for on StockX as well. But like I said, I wanted to know who all grabbed those Yeezy Sesame V2s and how many did you buy? You about to sell them? You about to flip them? What you gonna do? And let me know if my video was any help of you guys in that Yeezy V2 Sesame pickup. Yeah, that's all I really want to know. Today I'm just chilling at the crib, man. My man cave slash sneaker room. I moved my man cave that was in the next room over in here. So as you can see right here, I got my Xbox and I got my PS4. You know what I'm saying? Just chilling right now, playing the car with a couple friends. I'm gonna hop on 2K a little later. So if y'all want to get y'all ass busting 2K, or if y'all want to run that quads, oh shit, or you want that team deathmatch on fucking Black Ops, let me know, man. My PSN is the Vintage World, and yeah, you know what I'm saying, this is a quick little video, you know what I'm saying. I just wanted to know who all grabbed a pair. Got a computer right here, and this is where I mainly shoot my videos or my older videos, but I haven't really set up everything. Still got shoe boxes over here, shoes over here, just a random mirror right there. But yeah, man, Yeezy V2 Sesames, they actually changed my mind too. I remember I said that this shoe wasn't a need right now, but the colorway is fire, bro. And seeing Unbreakable Kicks, he got a pair. No Sniper Jones copped a pair. He didn't post a video yet, but I know he copped it because it was on his Instagram. Jumperman Chris, I think, copped a pair as well. And somebody else I'm subscribed to had the Yeezy Sesames. And they look very, very dope in person, very dope in hand. I just can't wait to see an actual review and on feet with them. They might really change a lot of people's mind when they do that. So this shoe might be coming to the collection sooner than what I had expected, because first of I said I wasn't gonna cop it right now, but shit, now I'm like, do I need to go cop a pair for retail? Because it's crazy. Just a couple months ago, or like a year ago, you cannot cop a Yeezy for retail. It was impossible. The only people that was getting them was the people that had the bots, the people that was actually camping out just to flip those shoes, people that had the backdoor deals with Foot Locker and Champs and shit like that, and it was impossible to get a Yeezy, you know what I'm saying? So just to have a Yeezy for retail, it's just, I don't know if it's a good thing for the sneaker community or a bad thing, you know what I'm saying? So I wonder what's that new shoe, that new hype shoe gonna be that people was not gonna be able to get, you know what I'm saying? Because you know Jordans used to be like that. It's not like that no more. Yeezys used to be like that. It's not like that no more. So I wonder who gonna make that next push. And who gonna have those shoes that's always selling out, that's always getting flipped for crazy amounts of numbers, you feel me? Right now, I'm just rambling. That is it for this video. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram at The Vintage World. You know, the links will always be in the description box below. And make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell for your boy. Tomorrow will be a better video. We're gonna talk about some of the last Jordans to drop of 2018, and I want to know what shoes or what Jordans you copping for the last month of December. So y'all stay tuned for that video, man. Appreciate all love, support. Make sure you share the videos, make sure you like the videos, make sure you go spam my pictures on Instagram, and yeah, all the love and support counts, all the love and support matters, and I appreciate it. Y'all already know how it is. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, man. Peace.